Welcome back to Parens of the Dead, episode 22.
It's true.
It's, yeah, very nice. So, we are punching the zombies, and they're fearing for their life, as well they should, because today we will kill them.
Yeah. And my suggestion is that we actually just filter that one as well here.
Yeah.
Kill the zombie.
Yes, because, yeah, he didn't get killed, though.
It didn't. Oh, yes, it did. 2 damage, 2 health.
Ah, he did get killed.
Yeah. Because this is the test that says, what if we have 3 damage and just 2 life?
Yeah. Right. I see. He got killed by death.
He got killed by death.
Yes.
So killed zombie.
Yeah.
And I think maybe it's just zombie 1.
Yeah. How do you feel about murdered zombie?
No, I don't think you can murder zombies.
Okay.
Murder is like evil, and killing zombies is good. It's good for you, good for your health, and good for the environment. So there you go.
It just feels like murder has that maliciousness that fills me up.
Yeah, I see.
Yes,
I see.
Killed is just it sounds so utilitarian.
Yeah, I think if you're in a zombie apocalypse and killing zombies, you get complacent after a while. Okay, another chainsaw is out of fuel. Can I get the next one, please?
That's very good. Okay, so then I need to go here.
Yeah, because this is the finish turn function.
Mm-hmm.
Should this have all this features? Shouldn't finish turn delegate somewhere for this? I'm not sure. You can put it in there right now, but I
see what you're getting at, because but this is still about punching. So eventually this stuff will get out of here, and more stuff will come into finish turn.
Yeah, that's true.
But here, when
you can do like the cond thing and conjugate on maybe, or do you want to remove nil? Both of them are fine.
I was thinking about remove nil, but I actually like this better. Thanks for reminding me. So we'll cond thread this stuff. So if the zombie is dead, that means that
equal
current.
Yeah, damage equals current.
So we can do
of course. Yeah, you're right.
You don't strictly have to do this, because you can check that the damage is equal or greater, but this makes some form of sense in my head. And then current health.
Current health.
Yes.
Good pronunciation.
Thank you, sir. So it says killed that.
You have to conjure on.
Kill the zombie, and do we have the ID at hand? Target. Thank you. So there it goes. And then we have to do something about that event in multiple places.
Yes.
First of which will be the update game.
Yeah.
And where's my punch? Yeah, it's here. So I'll say dev test, update game, and killed zombie.
I think it's sort of fascinating how the update game implementations are always like super tiny. They're just like an update in or an association or most of the time. And most of the like media stuff is in the actionizer, because
it's more details to control.
Yeah.
And I also like that we've now managed to develop almost the entirety of the client on the server. Yeah. With tests, and it's very convenient. So it says killed zombie 1, and then I will, of course, do zombies, and I'll just like that. Okay.
No
if you kill the only zombie, there will be no more zombies.
That's true. For a while.
And it will be a beautiful day. Yes.
The game killed is here.
Actually, if that happens, another event should be produced. 1 game.
Oh yeah, that's true. If you kill you don't actually win if you kill the last zombie. You have to survive all the rounds.
This is like a very geeky thing to differentiate on, but I get what you're saying. It could be poisoned or whatever.
Yeah, but there's new zombies coming every turn.
Right.
So updating game zombies. It's just this. It's just update game zombies. It's not updating.
No.
And the zombie ID.
No.
It's not.
This is not how you use update. You have to use disoch.
Thanks. Update game. Update game zombies. Disoge zombie ID.
Yes.
There we go. Thank you.
And then next up,
actionizer test.
Yes.
So we have the punch zombie, and it makes sense. Oh wow, that was a weird paren. Actionize.
It was the parent of the dead.
Oh no. Kill zombie. So this one is more interesting because we are now taking a look at the DOM structure, and look, it's not punched anymore. It's falling.
And so we can just repurpose the same class then.
For sure. For sure.
Brilliant.
Zombie 1.
Brilliant.
And I will do zombie 2 now. Okay. Take that.
You stupid implementation.
Zombie 2 is now falling. And for how long? Styles and falling. So yeah, 700 milliseconds.
700.
So we wait for those 700 milliseconds, and after that, I want to dissociate somehow.
Have we implemented that in the client?
I'm not sure. Let's take a look. We have the client here. It has a main, and we have assoc and wait. So we're going to need like dissoc in.
So we've come this far. It's episode 20 something, and our client knows how to do two things. Put things in the store and wait.
That's about it.
Yeah.
So we're going to swap the store, and we're going to do update in path.
Now we'll flip the table when the client learns to also remove things from the store.
Well, let's just take a moment. The client is only the components and this.
That's beautiful.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So now it has now we have 100. We have a 50% increase in functionality in the
in one episode.
Yeah.
Show me one other screencast that gives you 50% increase in client-side features in one episode.
You're not going to find it.
No.
Okay.
Is your only shop in town, boy?
So, Disocean Zombies, Zombie 2. Okay.
Yep. So I know how to make this work.
Yeah.
It's by using something called copy.
Cool.
Yeah. Killed zombie target. Kill zombie or atom.
Yeah. That's
also
fine
works.
Too.
Yeah. Wow. Why did it not use the right name?
That's weird.
And then we go target. Boom,
it's a green.
Boom. Yes. So I should be able to try then. I'll go to the browser. Yeah.
Just reload it.
Yeah. I don't think I have to reload it, but if it pleases you, sir.
It pleases me to reload things. Okay, that should be
now
enough.
I don't want to do it anymore.
Don't shame me, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh, no.
No matching clause. Disoch in. Okay.
Did I not type it out correctly?
Did we not reload it
properly? I didn't properly reload. I just added this feature to the client, and Chrome has betrayed us again.
Yeah, because we closed the DevTools. That's why it betrays us.
It's fine. It's fine. Boom. It's not dead. That's good to test as well. And now we can hit it again.
Okay. So that probably shouldn't be possible.
No, I think maybe coming up is games usually last more than one turn.
I see.
So there would be new zombies, new roll, new dice, and so on.
All this in the next episode of Parents of the Dead.
Yeah, some of it. All this in upcoming episodes of Parents of the Dead.
So this is what I call episode 22. And remember to always hug your pillow.
Okay. Good night.